Let's be honest, most tables look like they were designed by accountants in 1998. But not you. You are about to learn how to make data look clean, balanced, and dare I say, attractive. Today, we are turning boring numbers into visual harmony, Affinity style. Let's make your next report or brochure look too good to ignore.
Start with the table tool on the left toolbar. It's the icon that looks like a tiny grid. Click and drag to create your first table. To adjust rows and columns, drag the handles on the edges. Here's up and down, and here's left to right. If you want the exact dimensions, open the transform panel and set width, height, and position numerically. How to do it? Select your table, and on the right top corner, here's transform. If you don't see it, go to Window, General, and Transform. And here you can put in width. Let's do 100, and let's do 200. Congratulations! You've created the least exciting design element known to man. Let's fix that next. If you click inside the cell, here on top toolbar, you see table and table format. Click on table. And I have put it on the left sidebar, but it might pop open like this for you. But if you are using lots of tables, I suggest you put it somewhere where you can get it easily, like on the sidebar, left or right. It's up to you. But here's where you can control alignment, cell padding, border, and background color. Start with header row. So here's header. Let's give it some names. Let's do something very uncreative. Cell 1, cell 2, and cell 3. Now you can select it and give it the color, whatever you like. If you need to adjust vertical position, here is vertical position, and you can put it in the center, on the bottom, on justify that, but it's not working. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. But center, align, and justify, they should be probably similar, so use center align. Now adjust the cell padding. You can do it here, where is cell, and insets. And let's click on this link insets. So every side's gonna be the same, and let's give it 3 millimeters for now. Or you can adjust width and height of one cell. But if you have selected all 3 cells, it's gonna adjust all 3 cells. So let me show you. You see, like this. For borders, keep them light. Light gray lines separate without screaming. Thick black lines make your table look like prism bars. So what I mean, let me show you. Right now, it's quite light, but let's select everything. And here is stroke and fill. Let's do it like this. You see, it's just screams at you right now. So try to keep it light. Like, I think 0.2. And let's make it 0, 0, 0, and 75, for example. Much better. Affinity Layout has table formats, basically reusable style templates for tables. You can open them if you click on your table, and then here up on the toolbar you see table format. It's a table with a gear icon. Click on it and this window pops open. But trick here is, let's say you did your table how you like it, and you're gonna use this exact same table over and over again. Let's do some more changes here. Let's put this here, and what else? Okay, let's color, text color. So sorry, let's change the text color white. What else? Let's give it border in the middle of cells, and that can be a little bit bolder, something like 1 maybe, and maybe let's give it 90. See, it's good for now. And now after you have finished your table design and you're gonna use it over and over and over again, select your table, go to this window. Here is this hamburger menu, click on that, and update from selection. Click on that, and now you see your default table is changed. And now let's make a new table, and nothing happens. Click on that, and you have your design table. So now you don't have to redesign same table over and over again, but you have your table style. Don't copy paste cells one by one. We are not savages. Go to File, Place, choose your Excel file you want to import in, and open. Then just click and drag. If you don't see anything like here right now, select your table, everything, and give it a text style, because right now you see there's no style on character or paragraph. So let's go click on body, and you see all your table is imported in, so you don't have to do it one by one. Affinity will create the table automatically, complete with data. You can resize or restyle it like any other table. If the text looks too cramped, you can adjust cells. So same thing, table or table here on the toolbar. And here you can adjust height, width, or insets. Basically you can just play around with it so it would look like you like it. And one more trick, you can resize it like Excel. So just grab between the two cells, you see the arrow changes, and you can change it left to right or up and down. If you have selected everything, it's gonna change all cells. But if you are inside one cell and then change it, it's gonna change only this one cell. This or like this. Good data design follows one rule: clarity first, style second. Here's a few quick habits. Use alternating row colors, light gray or soft tint, to improve scanning. So you can do it like this. Let's select one row, and here where is store and fill, let's give it some lighter color. Let's do 20. And here, now the next one. Okay, it doesn't work. Now the next one, and next. So you get the point. Now it's better to scan for persons. Bold only what matters, usually headers or totals. So you can do it easily. Just select everything, and here on the toolbar, click bold. And let's make it a little bit bigger too, like this. Avoid center text for data. Left align text, right align numbers. But this depends where are your numbers. For example, here, left aligned is good. So if I would change it to right aligned, for my opinion, it looks strange. So let's put it back on left. If you want your tables to pop, use accent lines. One bold horizontal line under header or totals, then keep everything else light. So what I mean, you can actually, for this tutorial purposes, let's do this fast. For here, now let's do like, let's see, is there any lines? No, there isn't. So now let's select the header row, and let's give it a border under cells, and let's do 80% black. For tutorial purposes, let's give it a little bolder stroke like this. And now you have a bold horizontal line under header. Contrast is king. Black text on white or white on dark. No pastel on pastel crimes.
Next up, we'll explore advanced text styles, saving time and keeping your typography consistent across project. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, beauty is nothing without readability.